Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I am going to bring you a brand new box to my channel. I have not seen this one much on YouTube. When I went to research it, the last one I saw was about a year ago, and so I'm really excited to open this box. It is a home decor box, so anybody who has been around my channel for a minute might know that I love home decor. I love to decorate, and so I'm pretty sure this box is going to bring me some joy. All right, so the box name is Nour Lee, and it is a Scandinavian home decor box. It is from Scandinavia. It cost it's pretty pricey, to be honest, but I figured if I go to Home Goods or TJ Maxx and I am wanting to redecorate a space on, you know, somewhat of a little bit of a budget, I usually stick to $100, and so why not check this one out and see how I like it. All right, so like I said, it is called Nour Lee. It is $69.95. It does cost an additional $7 to ship to the US. I pulled up my phone here so that I could remember, or help me remember, all about this box, because it took a very long time to get it. I mean, you can imagine with all of this stuff going on, how long everything is probably taking to go through customs. All right, you get 3 to 5 hand-picked items. These are usually brands they say that you're not going to find in the US, and they are inspiring interior, create a perfect setting in your home. Scandinavian style accessories, so you can get socks, beauty products, and things like that as well. So I guess maybe it's more of a lifestyle box, and it even says you might get some snacks or things like scented room diffusers. So I don't know, we'll see what is in here, but I got this yesterday. I have been dying to open it, but I have not had a chance. So I hear something. I'm going to be very careful because I think that there's something that's going to be breakable in here. So let's see what's in the box. I hope everybody is staying well. I know with all of the craziness going on, if you're not sick, you may be losing your mind because you're not used to being home all the time, stuck, except to go to the grocery store. I mean, who knew that going to the grocery store would turn into such a fun outing? All right, probably not very fun since people are sick. I have been using a mask when I go in public. My husband has been wearing a mask, things like that. So we're trying our best to stay as healthy as we can, especially during this time. I have some things going on that it's a little crazy right now. Hi, kitty cat. All right, so he wants to know what's gonna go. This is Tennessee whiskey. All right, so this is what it looks like when I open the box. And it has the little pamphlet, so I won't look just in case it tells me what's in there. It is packaged really nicely. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to open this box. All right, so let's do this one first. No. Okay, so that's why I was hearing it rattle, so I will have to call them. That's not good. I got was supposed to be 2 bowls, but one came broken. Oh, that makes me so sad. All right, that's okay. I'll email them and see what they say, but it is really pretty. It's got like a gray with some black tick bites in it. Really, really pretty. So I hate that the other one came broken. This is more of like a minimalist style, which I like. All right. So that's sad. And it was packaged really well. So, I mean, it's coming from a long way. I mean, I'm not going to be mad unless they don't replace it. All right, so let's see what's in here. Ooh. So I got 2 spoons, which 2 cereal bowls, 2 spoons. Those are black. They're really pretty. And they are heavy. They're really good and heavy. Wonder if I can buy more of these. These are just right up my alley for decor. And I like a sturdy utensil. And then, let's see. Oh, I forgot my card here. Hang on a second. Let's see what it says. This April box is a tribute to the first meal of the day. The bowls in this edition are some of my favorites. They are from Brost, Copenhagen, and I have used them in my home for a couple of years now. I finally got the opportunity to include them in the Nour Lee box for you to try. The color, the size, the form, and the feeling makes breakfast feel a little more hygienic. Scandinavians don't have a tradition of eating breakfast out during the weekdays. Therefore, I believe that putting care into the table setting is the way of stating the importance of breakfast. Enjoy, Linda. Okay. So these are the Nordic sand bowls. The series from Brost leaves an organic imprint of the Nordic beaches that enhance a modern Scandinavian table setting. Each bowl appears unique as it is hand glazed and is perfect for any occasion from Sunday brunch to Saturday dinner, and they are $23. Okay. And then the black spoons from Tvis, maybe? TVIS. Tablespoon is made of stainless steel and has been coated with black titanium to withstand everyday wear. The beautiful black and glossy design of the spoon gives it a fresh yet elegant look, and it says $37 for 2 of them. Woo-wee. All right, so next up we have these. And they are 2 placemats. They're linen, so I better be careful because I got pink lipstick on. So I'll hold one up there. Just a white linen. They're very pretty. And, you know, linen does wrinkle, so I will have to put them in the dryer or iron them. But it does say right here, 100% linen. And these are Brost, Copenhagen as well, I guess. Let's see. Linen placemat. Beautiful, natural, 100% linen placemats. Perfect for a bowl of skyr. Try it. You will love it. For everyday use, although it is no problem to machine wash the placemats, you might want to keep away from colorful meals. They're $42 for 2 of them. So that's pricey, which I can put these on my island, and because, you know, 1 or 2 of us will eat there if we're just having a quick meal by ourselves. All right. And then I think this is my last item. And, oh, this is Danish granola. Granola coconut and almond. It's organic, gluten-free, over 40% nuts and seeds. I think that's kind of cool that I got a food item in a black container here. I love granola and yogurt for breakfast. I think a lot of times I will even mix the honey yogurt in a granola or cereal instead of milk, because not a sweet cereal, of course, like grape nuts or something like that, because I don't really care for milk. But I am gonna open it so that we can check the granola out. All right, so this is what it looks like in there. And let's taste it. That's got a good flavor, a nice sweet flavor. And then the nuts in there, that's gonna be really, really good for breakfast and in my yogurt. All right, awesome. So just to recap, I will come back and let you know what they said about my bowl. I'm sure that they will replace it, but let's see. So I got granola, which the owners of Danish Granola Company described themselves as a couple of nerdy breakfast enthusiasts. The high quality granola is handmade from the best organic and gluten-free ingredients and hand packed in their hometown of Aarhus, Denmark. Simplicity, honesty, and care of these three words are the three words that describe the mission of Danish Granola Company. The variant consists of Danish gluten-free oatmeal, sunflower kernels, almonds, coconut flakes, and cold-pressed coconut oil, and sweetened with a little maple syrup. I told you it was a little sweet. All right, awesome. So we got the makings of a little bit of breakfast, so that's pretty cool. All right, I'll let you know. The jury's still out on if I really think that it's worth $70. I do really, maybe I would feel differently if one of the bowls hadn't been broken, but I really do like the placemats. I think they're gonna look beautiful on my island. Like I said, I have a little bit of some things that are going on, and so it will be perfect just to have those two place settings on my island. But stick around, I got lots of stuff coming up. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like on the way out, and I will see you in my next video.
Nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go.